Click link in description to buy this product today at best price.
It's getting late. So how do you go to bed? Literally, what's your routine? A full season binge watch? 15 to 90 minutes of scrolling? One last reply or? That can make falling asleep rather difficult. And waking up totally painful. But what if your routine was a little more intentional? If you had a guide to gently remind you to start your bedtime routine, using light and sound to relax your mind and set a dreamy mood while you unwind. What if it even guided you through meditations and sleep stories, backed by science, all designed to deepen your bedtime calm, gently easing you into a deep, restorative sleep? And what if its simple design blended naturally into your life, gently waking you refreshed and ready for the day every day? Wouldn't that be lovely? It certainly is. Hatch Restore 2, your bedside sleep guide.